Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Team Josh taking the win. Grabe talagang. Team Berg, palakpakin po natin. Grabe talaga. Grabe. Ang sasama ng ugali, nananaksak kong. Grabe. Josh, paano yung celebration mo pag nakasaksak? Paano yung celebration mo pag nakasaksak? Paano yung pag nasaksak? Grabe. Gigil na gigil kang ganun, no? Grabe talaga. Palakpakan po natin. Give a round of applause to Team Josh for taking the win. Grabe talaga. Daming mga catch plays. But give it up for Team Berg for also pulling it off, ladies and gentlemen, and putting up a good fight. Anong masasabi mo kay Berg?
Berg, natalo mo ako dati sa tournament ngayon. Who you? Ang masasabi ko sa'yo, pahinga muna.
Kinantahan! Grabe talaga. Uy, pero malakas din ha, Berg, solid din. Justin, uy, maganda yung galaw ni Justin. Maganda! You were doing good! How did it play to play? How did it feel to play again?
Mas ang lamig na nung area, mas nilamig pa ako ba naglalaro. Kinakabahan ako.
Ganda sana ng ninja defuse mo, pero inano ko ng kapatid mo.
Kabisado niya yung hilat siya ng utak ko eh. Ganun lang yun.
Anong binulong mo nung inano mo? Anong binulong mo nung nakuha mo siya bago mag-defuse? Anong sinabi mo sa kanya nung bago siya mag-defuse? Nung na wallbang mo siya at natapos mo yung ninja defuse na yun?
Uwi kang mabigat ang dibdib.
Ay, talagang uwi ka. But, ladies and gentlemen, some clutch plays. Give it up for SB19, Team Payaman, Berg, and of course, Shibibi, our Predator ambassadors. We got an awesome performance with them together with Sarah G. They're gonna get ready now. Give it up for SB19. Get ready. Get ready. Maraming salamat, Team Payaman. Maraming salamat to our Predator ambassadors. That was fun. Grabe si Josh, magiging gift ka. Magiging gift ka. That is an official gift. That is a gift for, of course, our Did you guys enjoy? Please give it up for Predator for making this all happen. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you.